And this is how Kaizer Chiefs can outfox Mamelodi Sundowns or can have an edge going into this match by make use of four things which are very critical. The first one is by counter-pressing Sundowns. Second is by using the spaces that are being left by left back and right back. Make use of the spaces, make use of the crosses, make use of the set pieces. And lastly, do not concede early against Mamelodi Sundowns. So now, let's roll it back and let me take you through each and every step that I'm talking about. The first one, counter press and press Sundowns as high as possible, because we know Williams might not be there, and then that will give Jori February or Dennis Onyango, both of them, they are not very comfortable when it comes to playing the ball out from the back. So if you press them high, you might end up getting some couple of opportunities which can be goal scoring opportunities. And then let's go to the second one. The second one is make use of the spaces that is being left by Lunga, because I believe Aubrey is out of the game. So Lunga or Tiwani, or the spaces that is being left by Mudau. And then the second one is make use of the spaces that is being left by the defense, because we know Sundowns like to play the high line and their defense is low. So Pulemodi and Lollipop can make use of that space behind the defense, behind the Mamelodi Sundowns defense. And then the third one is make use of the crosses inside the box. They should cross the ball as much as possible inside the box for Lollipop and for their striker, which is Tashrick Morris, because they struggle to defend against the balls that are being crossed. Here is another incident where Marumo Galan scored using the player in the far post, which is totally unmarked, and this thing has happened not once, not twice, a couple of times in Sundowns. They do not know how to mark crosses, more especially if there is a player in the far post where Aubrey or Tapelo Mrene is supposed to mark. That's the very same goal that made them lose in the Carling Cup final that they considered against Magesi. I'm going to show you now in just a minute. Here is it. Here's this clip. The very same goal they considered against Udion is the very same goal they're going to concede here. The player is in a far post, the cross is just crossed across the field, and then boom. The third one is make use of the set pieces. Set pieces are very important when playing against Sundowns, because they are not strong when it comes to defending set pieces. So set pieces can be another edge for Kaizer Chiefs to get a chance in getting something out of this game. The last item, which is very critical, is do not concede early against Sundowns. You can be making a very big mistake, and that can lead to you getting hammered with a heavy score. So do not concede early against Mamelodi Sundowns. The first 15 minutes of the game is going to be crucial. Kaizer Chiefs will have to defend very narrow and close to each other and make sure they do not concede very early, because that's the very same thing that happens to Orlando Pirates, which is I'm not going to show because I still haven't healed